U okviru programa Erasmus Plus na Filološko-umetničkom fakultetu od 13. do 15. novembra organizovana su predavanja doktora Kristijana Fossa sa Instituta za slavistiku Humboldtovog univerziteta u Berlinu. Profesor Foss, kao jedna od važnijih ličnosti u oblasti slavistike u Nemačkoj, ali i u Evropi, preneo nam je otkuda interesovanje za južnoslovenske i srpske teme u nauci i predočio planove za buduća predavanja.
I think there's great interest in Slavic studies in general, but also in the Balkans. I started 30 years ago when I felt enthusiastic with Russian literature, and then I got in contact with the Balkans. I started in Western Germany, where Slavic studies during Cold War times was still something very exotic, but I think things have changed. Balkan is not that stigmatized or alterized in heterostereotypes in the West as during the Yugoslav wars in the 90s, so I think there is a good chance now of EU integration and of better cooperation and understanding. We try to bring in our research into the classroom, not to separate research and teaching, which is the ideal of Humboldt, founder of my university. And in September we made an international student excursion with students from Belgrade and from Berlin to visit Macedonia and Albania. Next year we are going to visit Sephardic community in Sarajevo and Albanian Ulcin, Montenegro, again with a very international team. So I think the most concrete projects try to include students, even BA and MS students, in research projects.
Na Filumu je završena još jedna serija značajnih predavanja koja su bila otvorena za sve zainteresovane studente, saradnike i nastavnike Filološko-umetničkog fakulteta.